Did you know Mercedes made a diesel that can take huge boosts without even flinching? It's called the OM606, 3.0-liter inline-six, mechanical injection on early models, and built like a tank. You'd find it in the W24 E300, W210 E300D, and even some G-Wagons. It's the 2JZ of diesels, iron block, forged crank, and insane tuning potential. People push 600-plus horsepower with stock internals. Just add pump mods, big turbo, and send it. It's loud, it's smoky, and it just won't die. This thing isn't hype, it's proven. Leave a comment, drop a like, and subscribe for more car tech tips.